This little locomotive has a couple of problems. Well, chimney is missing, clearly, and here the flaps which would hold it on the chassis are missing too. Still, let's see where she is working. Yeah. So she's working, but let's see what's going on underneath. And you can tell here that this is a bit, oops, she comes out. So this little piece here seems to be broken, and there's a very easy way to fix this, and it's our friend Marcello who's shown this to us. Is a little bit of banana paper and a little bit of super glue, and I will now show how I fix these, and I just do exactly the same as Marcello has been doing so far. I will just cut a very thin rim, just as the correct width. Of paper, of banana paper, precisely, which I will then glue down here to keep it all together. I fold it over, because this will then be the flap which I put here for stability, and then I put another fold here, because I'll take it a bit further down in the end than is needed. Cut it off here, and this is now my little piece which will hold it all together. Just for measuring whether it fits or not, put it here, and as you can tell, it's the correct width. Next, here becomes critical. I put some of the super glue onto the middle part here. Basically soaking the whole thing in it, and also here, and obviously this part I will let it dry before I apply it onto the locomotive. So I can't glue this down yet, because obviously otherwise it would stick to the mechanism. I will, however, already start here, put a bit here on this side, and I will hold it down. It's a bit too long. Cut a little piece away, put it down, and stick it down there. I press gently on it until it's in the correct position to make sure it never touches the brass sliders. It's a bit a fiddly affair, but we will get there eventually. And I also apply a little bit of glue on top, and I then rub it all in with the screwdriver, because I use a screwdriver because it can be easily fixed. And after a while you can tell one side is now in a good position and firmly attached, and I will now move on to the next side. I apply the super glue directly onto the screwdriver, and I can use this as a small spoon to bring the glue into the position where I want it to be. Whoops, that was not very good. So you see, I soaked the entire banana paper in glue so that the entire thing becomes rigid when hardened. Now again, I just have to stick it down until it's in a good position. I'm pretty happy with this little bridge which I've applied there. Now I will just put it back and wait until it's completely dry. Once it's completely dry and the excess glue has been removed, a minute later, I see whether the reverse unit is now stable and stays in place. I'll push this a bit down just in case. It's a bit wet still, but it seems to do the job. And that's how you can easily fix the broken bridge which holds your reverse unit back. Thanks for watching.